Are you looking to stream on Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or Mixer? That doesn't exist anymore. Maybe you already do stream and you use a webcam, maybe the Logitech C920, maybe even the Logitech C922. I don't really know what people are using these days. I used to use the Logitech C920, and we went from looking like this to this.
Ayo! 10k subs, yeah?
David's done it again.
You see the Brody hit 10k, next year that's 50,000 subs, I swear.
Hey peeps, how's it going? Hope all is well. Now then, today, as you can see, it's a bit of a different type of video. I always try to find new ways to integrate different types of videos to this channel, namely non-gaming videos, because of course this is a gaming channel and I love playing video games, but I also want to help people. Now, I've been getting a lot of questions recently on Twitch, YouTube and TikTok about what equipment I use and how to get the best possible equipment for streaming, how to become a streamer, how to become a YouTuber, blah, 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 stuff like that. And I want to give my input out there to try and help you guys potentially start streaming or continue streaming at a better level, I guess, like a higher level. Try to up your game, basically, in the streaming or YouTubing world. Now, as I said, I used to use the Logitech C920 webcam, which is what you are seeing, what you're seeing right now. And let me tell you, now this is, bear in mind, this is with the auto stuff. Like I said, the auto focus, the auto white balance, auto gain stuff like that. As you can see, really blown out, really bright, really horrible. I did used to tweak it. It didn't look like this on stream. Don't worry, I would have quit my channel a long time ago if I let it look like this on stream. I did used to tweak it a little bit. If you do use the Logitech C920 and you want some tips on how to make this camera look better, maybe you can't afford a camera or you don't have space for a bigger camera and you like your webcam, if you want a different video, let me know in the comments down below and I can make a whole video on how to make this webcam look absolutely insane, because when I did stream with it, it looked incredible. But this video is all about the Sony a6000 or whichever camera you have. Now, this is the Sony a6000. That's the camera I have. But you can do this, what I'm about to show you, with a lot of different cameras. Now, there is a link down below to an Elgato website. Now, I am using an Elgato Camlink 4K, and if you want to either get into streaming or you're looking to buy a camera and move on from your webcam, this website shows you which cameras the Camlink works with. So if you're either looking for a camera or you're looking to buy a Camlink, make sure you check out the description, check out this website, and make sure your camera is compatible, because the worst thing I can imagine is doing something like buying, I don't know, the Canon G7X Mark II, and then realizing the Camlink doesn't work with it. If you've been watching my videos for a while, if you're a returning subscriber, this is the video, this is the camera I use to record all of my videos with, my face cam with, sorry. And it's an awesome camera, but it doesn't work for streaming. You can't use a dummy battery with it. You can't use a Camlink with it. I don't regret getting it because it's an amazing camera, like I say, but it is annoying that I had to buy another camera for streaming with. But hey, now we have two awesome cameras, so it's fine. So first things first, I'm going to show you how to set up your camera and get it connected to your PC, and then I'll show you how to actually load it into OBS, which is what I use, OBS Studios. If you use Streamlabs, sorry, I'm pretty sure it's the same process on there too. But yeah, I'll show you how to connect it to your PC and then how to get it on OBS. There's a few things you're going to need. First and foremost, first of all, the main thing is a camera. You're actually going to need a camera, believe it or not. The second thing is a dummy battery. Now, a dummy battery is basically just a battery like this, but instead of plugging just a battery into your camera and letting it run out and having to change it midstream, because let's be honest, you're going to be streaming for 2, 3, 4, who knows how many hours. You don't want to have to keep plugging in and out batteries. Also, make sure your camera can run non-stop. Whereas this, it's like a running joke on my channel now, because of when I'm recording videos, I have to re-record every 16 minutes because the camera goes to sleep. So that's always fun. You don't want to have to keep getting up to press a button mid-stream. So that's really important. So yeah, just plonk that in. It connects to a wall socket, so it has unlimited power. It doesn't overheat and is very safe. You can get them for 15, 20 quid on Amazon. I'll leave links in the description to everything I used or everything I talk about in this video, FYI. Another thing you're gonna need, which, fun story, I forgot, is a micro HDMI to HDMI wire now. I actually forgot this. So I got my camera on one day, and then I was like, oh yeah, I have a camera, I have my Camlink, everything came. Oh no, I can't connect it to my PC. I've never used a micro HDMI to HDMI before, so I didn't know I would need one. But yeah, you take the micro HDMI, you plug it into your camera, you take the HDMI, you plug it into the cam link to connect the two, and it is fine and dandy. And that's pretty much all you're going to... Oh, also the Elgato cam link you're going to need. Also, I mean, that again, that's just one I'm using. I'm pretty sure there are different varieties, but I like Elgato stuff. I have a key light, a Stream Deck, and stuff like that. I like their products. They're reliable. That's what I use. Like I say, what you're going to do is you're going to plug your cam link into your one of your PC ports, your USB 3.0 ports. You're going to take the HDMI wire and plug it into the cam link. Then you're going to take the micro end, plug it into your camera, get the dummy battery, plonk it up in there, and then you are pretty much good to go. That's pretty much all you need to do. You turn on the camera, it connects to your PC. Now, the next thing is actually getting your camera on to OBS so people can actually see you when you're streaming. So once your camera is all set up, you're gonna go ahead and open up OBS Studios. Again, that's just what I use. If you use Streamlabs, that's fine as well. You're gonna go down to scenes here. As you can see, I have a bunch of scenes. If you're new to streaming, you may not have any scenes that are there. So what we're going to do is go right click down here, click on add, and then you're going to name it whatever you want. I'll just call this test with a little love heart. Press OK, and it will take you to a black screen. Now go down to sources. You're going to want to right click, click add, go to video capture device. And then again, if you already have used stuff, you can use existing. So if I click camera, this will bring my camera for my other scenes to this scene without me having to re-edit anything. So for example, if I click that, it automatically adds my camera in. Done and dusted. But of course, if you've never added your camera before, you won't have existing. So you're going to create new. Again, you can call it whatever, test camera with a little love heart. Click OK, and it'll open up this this screen. Properties for test camera with a love heart. Now, the device, if you click on device, you may have a bunch, depending on how many stuff you have connected. The Logitech HDMI, that's like my webcam. The game capture, that's my Elgato game capture. So you're going to want to find Camlink 4K. You're going to want to click on that and click OK, and it will come up with your camera. So if you double click it again just to open it, you don't have to click OK. Once you know, if it's on black, once you click on Camlink 4K, it will come up in the background. So you can move this window, you can see yourself in the background, and you can see yourself in this little window here. Now you could just leave it like this. What I personally do is if you go to resolution, FPS type, click on custom, because you want to be in control of it. Gonna want to make it 1920 by 1080p. Click on highest FPS. Video format, I go to EYOOOOO. Color space 709. Color range partial, and buffering put on to disable. Then you can click OK, and then you can adjust it however you like. If you want it full screen, like I say, if you want it full screen or really small for a window, you can add your border and stuff like that. That's all fine. So that is pretty much how you add it. Quick little tip. I could make this like its own little video, but quick little OBS tip. If when cropping and resizing cameras, if you just drag it, it takes it from the corner, like it keeps the aspect ratio. If you click shift and drag, you drag it and make it whatever size you want. If you click alt and then drag, you end up cropping it. So that's actually how you crop stuff. So you can just have, for example, your mouth. And if you want to uncrop it, just hold Alt, click on the corner, drag it all the way out. And when it's red, that means it'll go back to its normal position. When it's green, that means it's been cropped. So yeah, pretty much that is how you get your brand new amazing camera added to OBS. Because it has the dummy battery in there, it's going to run for hours. So you can go ahead and stream away. And it makes me so happy just see. I mean, it's such a difference. It really is. So ladies and gentlemen, that's pretty much all you're gonna need to set up a camera for OBS, for streaming, or for YouTube, or whatever you want to use it for. It's really, really straightforward. All you need is, of course, a camera. If you're getting the cam link, make sure you use the link in the description. Make sure your camera actually works properly with the cam link. You need a clean HDMI output. You need to have a dummy battery with it, and you all should be good. You need the micro HDMI to HDMI wire, of course the dummy battery, and then if you want to get a tripod, obviously I have mine on tripod. If you want to get it on tripod or however you want to set up, that's up to you. But the core basics is the cam link, the dummy battery, and the wire. Set it up in OBS, and you will be looking absolutely incredible for all of your live stream purposes. This was just a short little helpful, hopefully, video. If you want more videos like this, maybe talking about microphones, different cameras, like I say, webcam settings, anything like that, feel free to let me know in the comments down below what you need help with, whether it's streaming or just content creation in general, and we can make some videos with it. All my social media links are down in the description down below. Also on TikTok, I make like short little streamer tip, so if you want extra streamer tips, feel free to follow us there. I also do stream daily on Twitch, like I say, so again, link in the description. Follow us over there, and feel free to hit us up in the chat, and we can talk about it. We also have a Discord, so if you ever want to, you know, if you're ever not in Twitch or you don't want to comment on YouTube, feel free to join our Discord. We're always active over there, and we talk about a lot of tech stuff there, so maybe myself or other people in the community can help you with whatever you need. Hopefully you've enjoyed. If you have, please do leave a thumbs up on the video. Remember to subscribe. All my social media links down in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day. Much of as always, and peace. I winked twice there, I think. Whoops.
I can't believe this kid, man. Stand up for an EJ kid. Slaps here, man, get murked. 2 paintings in a whip, I'm a read this kid in the back like Donny Demur. Sat in the back like Donny Demur. I think the blonde thing's feeling Harry. He in the middle, he putting in work. Coming like something like Coffee Kawasi. If he up top, then he's scoring a hattie. Same way he does when a man plays clubs. This year the Brody hit 10K. Next year, that's 50,000 subs, I swear.